we're gonna try shutting the passenger seatbelt chime off. We gotta wait for the seatbelt light to go off. Should take about a minute, maybe a minute and a half. Oops. Then we're gonna buckle and unbuckle 3 times the passenger seatbelt in a moderate pace. We do want to make sure that the dash recognizes every buckle and unbuckle where it says 0. Alright, seatbelt light went out. I'm gonna buckle. 1, 2, 3. When unbuckled, it comes back on. I'm gonna buckle it a 4th time. And then that flash is gonna confirm that the setting has been changed. And now we can start the vehicle. And now, no more seatbelt chime.